Hello. In the previous video we discussed how to make the eyelash of a unicorn. Now I'll be talking about the ear and its on. So the first thing to do is to get your piece of fondant, nail, roll out to a thick layer just like I'm doing. Then using a rose cutter or something similar, oops, no lights, I cut out the big part. That's gonna be my base or the prominent part. Then I further roll out the fondant, giving me to get a thin layer, and I use my small rose petal to cut that out too. Excuse me. Using my edible glue, I attach the smaller petal to the big one to make the ear effects really cool for me. Did that to the second one since we're having 2 years. And there's this cuff, should I say shape that gives a perfect ear from. So I decided to use my rolling pin to get that effect by turning the inner aspect to the rolling pin and leaving it for a few hours to dry. While we're waiting that, let's make the on. To make the on, I get my piece of fondant, knead, make it crackless, and I roll out. The tip of the rope I'm trying to do has to be thin compared to the base. Once that is done, I am attaching it to my skewer. I just insert the skewer to the top part, then I twirl the remaining fondant around it. Once that is done, I try to use my hand just to keep it in shape so that it doesn't lose form or look irregular before attaching it to my styrofoam. If you don't have a styrofoam, you can just improvise with anything around. At times I remove the skewer from it and just place it on the table with my hand. Yes, I'm reducing the size of that because it is too big for the cake I want to use it for. So I'm attaching that to the styrofoam to allow it dry up and adding up. While we wait for that, let's paint it. Using my Lustal Gold Dust and my edible spirit, I painted my on gold. Yes, gold is really cool. You just have to be careful and not to smear and just make it look really cool and nice. After painting the on, we try to paint the inner part of the ear. Remember the small rose petal that was attached to the big part? You can see the shape of the ear. It has given us that curved shape that I was talking about, that I used the rolling pin to get. Check out. Yippee! They are ready. It's time to attach them to the cake. I use my skewer to bring up